Hi everyone, this is a lesson that I created combining BookWidget and ChatGPT. Would you believe me if I told you that it took me just 10 minutes to realize it? So I created the landing page, crossword puzzle, another game, friend or foe, true or false, and to sum up. Do you want to know how I did it? Well, that was really simple. First of all, I gave precise instructions to ChatGPT and I said, create a lesson plan on social media for elementary students using multimedia resources created with BookWidgets, and voila! Like in a few seconds, I had my lesson plan, a lesson title, social media for elementary students, the grade level, the objectives, the materials that I need to use, and the introduction, the main body, and the conclusion. So as you can see, there is everything. So all the ingredients to create an amazing lesson in interactive lessons, if you may, in a few basic steps. So very easy and useful, and very useful to use, to be honest with you, because I just put like few hints and voila, that's what the intelligence did for me, and that was very easy. And it concludes with the proper assessment. Then I asked, because I wasn't really happy about that. I was happy with the objectives and the multimedia resources that it gave me, but because I'm kind of creative, I wanted to go the extra mile. So I asked the artificial intelligence to create a reading comprehension text on social media with true false questions and multiple choice questions. So that's what it did, but it was kind of short. So I asked again, can you make the text longer? Sure. And it gave me the text that I wanted. And then, can you create 3 open questions? There you go. And we got open questions. And then I'm going to show you how I applied it to the amazing source that is BookWidgets. And then, can you create 4 true or false questions? And there you go. 3 or false questions. Can you give the answers? And of course, it gave me the answers. And then I asked the artificial intelligence, can you give me 10 words on social media? And there you go. There you have them. There you have them. And that's it. So what I did, I gathered all these materials and I went into BookWidgets and I create a web quest, social media. So there you go. I basically created 5 different widgets, social media, the introduction, then crossword puzzle. What I did, I just took the, let me see that. I just took, well, let's go here better. I just took the resource that ChatGPT gave me and I create an amazing background thanks to BookWidgets, and I gave it across and down and students have to complete it, and that's it. Very easy and fun to do. Friends or foe, there again, another activity. What I did, I created, I asked, so I put, I copy pasted the text that the artificial intelligence created for me. I, of course, double check whether there were, always double check whether there are mistakes or something that our students can't understand because their language is not developed enough. And then I gave it, I create a question. So what are some of the positive aspects? Copy pasted, and my students can use bullet points, colors, you name it, with BookWidgets. Possibilities are endless. And then I ask them, have you ever witnessed or experienced cyberbullying? And they have to record their answer. And then I ask them to create an infographic in response to this question. So yes, copy paste, and then students have to do this work in pairs, alone, in groups. They decide they can work cooperatively, whatever. It's as long as they work and they're happy and they learn from it, that's it. Then I used flashcards to create true or false. So I just copy pasted true or false items that I had in my ChatGPT created self-created reading comprehension test. And so there is true, false, and so students practice by using the flashcards. Yes, that's it. As you can see, very, very easy and amazing. That's it. And then to sum up, I've got a summary of our experience. So I created a fill in the blanks to sum up social media, blah, 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 and they have to fill in the blanks, and that's it. And then they submit their interactive homework or their interactive assignment or their interactive class activity, and that's it. They had fun, they learned, and I combined in a few simple steps and a few simple clicks book widgets with ChatGPT. So what do you think? Are you up for it or not?